Assalamu alaikum dostum. Today we went out for a walk and saw this path going into a jungle. So we thought to explore it, see what's inside. This is the first time we are going into this jungle. So I'm afraid probably there's some animals, probably big animals. We'll see when we go inside. So far there's nothing. Seems to be a quiet jungle. Not even an animal or not even a human being. Can't see anybody, anything. It's so quiet here. But probably it's because the winter is almost over and it's springtime. So animals are probably hiding somewhere inside. And there's no birds here, no nothing. It's a very quiet jungle. And there's a very wide path for a walk. It looks like it's not a jungle. It's a man-made jungle probably. And they made a path in the jungle so people can walk. Particularly those people who like walking in a nature and want to see some birds and some natural stuff. So, yeah, this snow still in this water canal. You can see no matter what, it's a very nice walk. Relax. You see all the branches, leaves are falling down from the past farm, and on the branches you can see some buds coming up. Probably in a week or so we'll get new leaves on the plants and it will be again green, and then we'll come back and see how does this jungle look in the green. Blah blah. Okay. It's a very nice walk and it feels so good. The air is very nice, not so cold. Hopefully you guys are also enjoying it. We are enjoying it too much, but probably we are lost somewhere. We have to go back. It's in the jungle and we don't know where we are going. Look at this nice, beautiful frozen canal. We'll just keep going. Hopefully we will reach somewhere. And if you like it, please share it.